Alright everybody, good morning. It's Tuesday morning and we are totally ready for paint. I kind of took a little shortcut and I have all this lot. 2 coats undercoat on all that. That's all undercoated. Ceiling is finished. So is the coving. I have the whole floor covered. Old bed sheets, very handy. And wherever you're going to have your paint tray and your paint and whatnot, I always use this old tablecloth. It's like plastic. I have another sheet of plastic there in the middle. And I always keep a bucket of water in the room for throwing stuff into. Saves you running in and out to the sink. So windowsill gone white. Everything's gone white. So we are ready to throw a bit of paint on this thing. So there we are. I feel like I've turned a corner. It just felt like I was hours upon hours upon hours filling, sanding, filling, sanding. I've all that lot primed. That's just some white paint with a drop of Polybond mixed through it, because there was a lot of bare plaster there. And mind the 2 holes, that's where that is where the homemade open wire comes in. So we're ready to go to this rock and roll show. So we will be back. 7-3, and thanks for watching. This is Georgie I 7 Kilo Oscar.